When it comes to agricultural equipment, quality is paramount. Kinghitter post drivers are owned and operated by Farmgear and are manufactured in New Zealand to the highest of standards. Only the best componentry is used, and there are strict quality control measures throughout the production line. Each Kinghitter post driver is fully assembled and tested before being dispatched, ensuring that when it makes it to you, it will work every time. Each machine is backed by a 2-year or 24-month warranty, giving you peace of mind. One example of Farmgear going above and beyond is sourcing higher grade steel, such as this mast steel, directly from the mill to achieve better consistency and strength. The valve banks on Kinghitter post drivers are sourced from Italy and are the highest quality, custom designed for post drivers. This gives each lever a more progressive feel, giving you more control and making the post driver much better to use. When it comes to machinery, it's the small details that matter. It's things such as the additional gussets, the oversized RHS, and machined bushes with grease nipples on all your pivots. These things take the machine to the next level and ensure they're delivering value over a long period of time. Over 45 years, Kinghitter post drivers have been built and proven to withstand the harsh conditions post drivers are in around the world.